Hi, today I wanted to share with you a procedure that you could use whether you're in the classroom or doing remote learning. And it involves using Google Calendar to have students set an appointment for one-on-one conferencing. This can be used in classroom or out of the classroom. There's lots of times that we have slots that we want to do conferencing with the students, and this is a great way to use it. So I have a digital dashboard here that I just wanted to share with you, and I have a live meeting schedule here. And open office hours, if I had them, I would set that with a specific link. But here, I just want to talk about this. Let's say you have office hours between 1 and 3 where students can set individual 30-minute increment office appointments or individual appointments. You can link this calendar, and I'm going to show you how it works. So the first thing you need is you need to have Google for Education or Google Business in order for this to work. If you have a personal account, let's choose September 9th, and let's go to a day view. If you have a personal view and you are clicking the times between 1 and 3, let's say 1:30 and 4:30, you will have event, reminder, and task. But if you have Google for Education or Google for Business, you will have, let's go to the 9th again and set an appointment times from 1 to 4 o'clock. You will have all of these options, and what you want to do here is choose appointment slots, and let's call this individual student meetings, and we're going to set the duration for 30 minutes. When you click save, you will have these it will just be blocked out in your calendar. So if you go to the appointment calendar page, you're going to grab the link here, and you are going to share the link over here. So you would then go ahead and link that right there. You would paste that link and apply. Now that calendar is available. So students would then click it, and I will show you how that looks. So your students will then click that link, and they'll be taken to the calendar. Next available appointment is shown. And then I had it set for repeating. So let's say they wanted to do a meeting the week after, on the Monday the 14th. They will choose this, and they will choose their name and set that appointment. So now you will know that that appointment has been taken by a student, and each student will choose whenever they can have the appointment with you. Now if you go to your digital dashboard, sometimes you might want students to schedule a conference with you. So you would list out their names and actually tell them to have a conference with you. And that is what I really like about the system that I have set up here. But again, this is just a really great way to maybe think about how you want to have conferences, individual conferences with your students. And a great and easy way to do that is by using Google Calendar. And why not use it? We're all using Google Classrooms anyway, and that just helps integrate it all. So I hope that was a tip that you enjoyed, and have a great teaching season.